Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to add a MacBook from Afaq in CapCut. So here, what you need to do is of course import your video in CapCut to CapCut, and then you can just go to Afaq at the bottom and choose video Afaq, and then here you just can swipe at the category until you find the frame category. So this one's right here, and then you can just scroll down and find the window frame. Okay, just scroll down. Okay, here is the window. Just click on the frame effects and wait for it to be applied to your video. Okay, so you can just click on check icon after that, and you can do adjust it until the end of your video like this. And that's all for me. That is how you can add a MacBook from Afaq in your video on CapCut. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe. See you all in the next tutorial. Bye.